And today is the 29th of June 2020, and this is something interesting. I'm on my iPad, and I noticed, I don't know if this is just because of ads not being blocked or because of some kind of malicious software, but I was reading an article here from PC World that is rather negative about the switch to ARM processors. And as I scroll down, in addition, of course, all these distracting ads, and I'm looking at the core of the article, I noticed, oh, look at this, where it says don't buy a Mac. The words buy a Mac are actually a link, but it looks weird, right? Because it's boxed around and that link is in red instead of blue. So what I did was I just went ahead and copied the address to the article, and over here I just went and loaded the same article over in Safari to see what it would do. And I do have some ad blocking turned on, so there's a few less ads. But look at this link, or the text there is not a link here where it was a link previously. So I honestly don't know if this is just strictly a function of ad blocking that I have here on my iPad, or if this is something else. So if you know, let me know. I'm definitely very curious. I've seen this before on, actually in Chrome as well, but on laptop and desktop computers where you've got some kind of malware on your system, and then it can actually, web pages can be changed as far as the there was an app, or I guess an extension, when after the shooting happened in New Zealand, that was blocking the use of the person's name, and it was actually manipulating text that was rendering on your computer. In that case, it was something that people wanted to have done, and they were choosing to do it. In this case, I haven't, to my knowledge, selected something that says, hey, give me links. Of course, it's dangerous to go ahead and click on links sometimes. So, when I click that buy a Mac, there's this little ad that comes up that doesn't really look like it's from computers. And then I go ahead and tap that, and then there's a CDW ad that pops up. So, anyway, I think this what I'm going to take away from this, and I'll be curious if people have other feedback or ideas, is how important it is to use a privacy browser. And so in this case, this is showing where Safari on the iPad is definitely a preferable browsing choice to Chrome.